So you want to control your GoPro from a distance, or even control multiple GoPros at the same time. Check this out, this is the GoPro remote from Telesin. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and this is a short, not short product review, straight to the point and no fluff. Okay, so Telesin has this really cool remote control, and it comes with an easy to use Lycra and flannel wrist strap. And since it's waterproof, it charges through this magnetic USB charging cable. And when it's all charged up, it has a long usage time of 10 hours. It's super easy to connect to your GoPro. Just go into the settings and connections and connect device, and it will connect right away. On the remote, you have a really bright LED display, which can easily be seen under the sun. And when it's connected, you have information like battery life, number of photos or recording time, and which mode that you're on. There are 4 buttons: start and stop recording or take a photo. This settings button will toggle between 3 of your top presets. The start button, which you could set up your favorite settings, and whenever you click it, it goes to that favorite setting. And then the mode button, which will switch between different modes like time-lapse, photo, and video. But also you can turn on and off your GoPro with this. This remote control will connect up to 80 meters or 87 yards, and you can control up to 5 GoPros at the same time. GoPros from Hero 8 up to the latest. And you can also connect it to your smartphone as well. The remote control can be a very useful tool for you if you don't have easy access to your GoPro or multiple GoPros, and it only comes in under $30, and you can also save some more money with my coupon code. And I'll put a link in the description, plus that coupon code, and a surprise link. But thank you so much for watching another short, not short product review. Don't be a stranger to the channel, and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.